Hello everyone, welcome back to Busmaster 99, and today I'm going to do an in-depth tour on this 2011 Cadillac CTS. Lights on for safety. Ice possible warning. When it comes to the transmission, you have a 6-speed automatic transmission with manual selectability. When you slide it over, initially it goes into sport mode, and when you push it up and down, that goes into full manual mode, as you can see. See, I slide it over, still shows a D even though it's in the right position, and it should go right to manual, but it says it's in sport mode. You pull back or push forward, it immediately goes into manual mode and shows an M. No backup camera, obviously. Alright, so here's the parking brake. You put your foot on the brake, and then you pull the tab to release. Then you push down to apply it. I think the tenseness of that parking brake is a little too tense for a car. It belongs in a truck or something. So I've already turned the lights on. Go ahead and pop the hood. Don't want to confuse that with the parking brake release. Halogen headlights. Oh, I guess I'll turn the high beams on too, since there are no fog lights. That's better. And boy, are those bright. It has full LED rear illumination, including reverse lights, excluding license plate lights. I'm going to turn those back off. Now I'll take a look under the hood. Excuse me for just a second. Let's see, I believe this is General Motors 3.6 liter naturally aspirated V6. Putting out around 305 horsepower at peak RPM. There's a stabilizer bar, commonly found in many luxury cars. Make sure that closed all the way. Hazards off. Glove box. Not too much storage. I'll turn the interior light on for better visibility. A little bit of storage there, and let me pull the gear shifter back. A little bit of storage in there. You can put change in here. You also do have a power outlet. You also do have automatic door locking and unlocking when you shift in and out of park. This is for your radio, but I'm not going to turn it on due to copyright reasons. Cruise control, that lets you know it's on. Pilot light. Set, resume, accelerate, decelerate, media source. So this is the only non-cruise control related button on the cruise control side of the steering wheel. More media controls can be found here. Volume up and down. You can decline a phone call here. You can go through the different sources there. Channels. This is to answer or activate voice control. Right here, this is the settings menu. You press the check mark to select your desired option. At vehicle speed, no change. When shifting out of park, which is the default. Door unlock, remote door lock, unlock, exit lighting. You can set the delay. I meant to turn it off. Approach lighting. You can format system memory. Change between normal and loud volume tone. I thought there was going to be a light option. Apparently there are only two. And that's it for that menu. Pressing this button brings you to your trip. You can switch between A and B using the arrow keys. Your range until empty. Fuel economy. Timer, instant fuel economy, average speed, a digital speed readout if you don't want to use the speedometer above, nothing at all, and your odometer. Vehicle info, oil life remaining, units, tire pressure for the front and rear, battery voltage, compass calibration, I'll just put it back on the trip. Climate controls. There is no sync button at all. Well, I guess if you turn off the passenger's climate. A little confusing. Fan speed overrides the automatic mode. Air conditioning, recycle, fresh air, rear defrost, front defrost, zone changer if you're in manual mode, FM AM, Sirius XM, CD, auxiliary, configure, information, favorites, traction control has 3 different modes. You press it once. I'm not sure what happens if you press it once. It only disables it a little bit. If you press it twice, it puts you in competitive mode. If you press and hold, wait for it, that turns it completely off. Press again, and it turns back on. Airbag warning. Right here, this is an option. This is what you'd see if you don't have an electronic parking brake. But this is where the switch for an electronic parking brake would be if you had it. No automatic wipers. Horn sounds good. Let's see. Automatic down rear windows and fully automatic front windows. Door locks and unlocks. Window restriction. Switch between your left and right mirrors. OnStar. Interior illumination. And then here, this is where you open the sunroof, but I'm not going to do it because it's a little too cold today, as you can see. Well, alright, that just about wraps up the tour. I'm going to turn the lights off. Shut the engine off. And peace out and stay tuned for more, as always. I look forward to seeing you on the next video.